Morning mga Katibol Vlogs. Welcome sa isa namang video bus vlog. Ngayong araw na to, September 16, 2024, here at Kilburnie, Wellington, New Zealand. So ang bus na gagamitin natin ngayon ay si bus number 5729 with registration plate number NCZ ZC987, which will expire on January 17, 2025. So, let's engage first day. School sign. Huwag natin kakalimutan yan kasi school run mo ang gagawin natin sa unang trip natin. Check na natin yung mga old damages ng bus. All good. And yan, mga old damage, mga gasgas nya. Ang importante naman i-check dito yung gulong kung may flat ba or yung adjusters nya ay hindi na magkakatapat. So all good. So let's go. All goods, all lights are working, and all good. Adjusters are all good. Adjusters are all good. Tama. All damage. 729 all damage. All good. So, tapon yung mga kape. Natapunan ng kape. And handrails are all good. Very tight and easy. All good. Overall, the bus is very satisfying to use. So that concludes our bus check for the day. Paalam!